You're an introverted entrepreneur, which probably means you prefer working quietly, maybe in your home office, maybe in a corner cafe with noise-canceling headphones. But here's the truth. Great content doesn't wait for perfect conditions. With the right mobile apps, you can create and manage content anywhere, even from the comfort of your couch, far from networking events. Let's start with visual creation. Apps like Canva and Adobe Express make it easy to design posts, thumbnails, or presentations straight from your phone. Their templates do most of the visual heavy lifting, so you can focus on strategy, not alignment pixels. Next, video editing. If you're on the move, try CapCut, InShot, or VN Editor. They're built for quick, professional-looking edits, whether it's trimming a talking head clip, adding captions, or adjusting audio. No desktop required, no complicated software menus, and definitely no stress. For content planning and management, Notion, Trello, and Asana are your best friends. You can map out your posting schedule, jot down ideas, or collaborate with your team without needing to jump on a call. It's productivity, minus the people overload. Then there's social scheduling. Use Buffer, Later, or Metricool to draft, preview, and queue your posts in batches. Schedule everything, close the app, and let automation handle the public-facing part while you get back to quiet work that actually energizes you. And if you need to write or brainstorm, tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly help polish your copy and generate ideas right from your phone. You can refine captions, plan blog outlines, or reword messages, all while waiting in line for coffee. Here's the secret. Mobile content creation isn't about doing more. It's about removing friction. These apps let you capture ideas when inspiration strikes, wherever that might be, and turn them into polished, publishable content with ease. So, take your creativity with you. Your next great post might not start at your desk. It might start in your pocket. Read the article linked in the description below to learn more from Mauco Enterprises.